Hey, I'm going to do a bike check today because I haven't made one since like October. So the frame is with WETHEPEOPLE sub-8 frame. I've had it for just over a year now. It's a really nice frame, runs nice. Animal Bob Scurbo bars. Had them for like half a year now. They're like really nice, really good for bar spins. I'm not sure what the grips are, the old ones from ages ago. Proper metal bar ends. My camera doesn't focus. So, MIRRACO forks. My simple, no, not simple, stolen ones bent really badly, so I just put these back on. I'm going to paint them black again somewhere. GT pegs, really nice. Not the slidiest pegs, but they work alright. PRIMO N4 flangeless hub. Been running it since October. It's really good, other than the hub guards. I've broken them in like 2 places, but it still rides smoothly. United Valley spokes. They are really good spokes. I've never actually broken one. Exposure rim, because it's the only rim I had. PRIMO Dirt Monster, 20 by 2.20, 60 psi, but I'm running like so much more than that because I have really hard tyres. FSA headset. Oh yeah, GT stem. It's like round at the front. It's really weird. PRIMO seat that I recovered because it was really beat up, that I got off James. It's not really good covering, but it works alright. I'm not sure of the seat post because I swapped it with my friend. Proper seat clamp that I got off James. PRIMO pedals. They are really good. Like the pins are still on there. They're like really nice, even though they're plastic and haven't broken at all. MIRRACO cranks. I've had them forever. They're like stock. PRIMO ANALOGUE LITE SPROCKET. 28 tooth. I'm thinking about getting another 25 tooth, like with a bash guard one, so I don't get hung up on crooks as much and bend my sprocket. Mid bottom bracket, same kind compared to over there. KMC chain that I just put on. My other one's still fine, it's just this seemed a bit stronger because it's really thick. KHE AFFIX free coaster. It's quite a nice free coaster, you can't adjust slack on it, but it's not that bad slack anyway. Exposure and United spokes. I just have the exposure ones because some of the United ones were bent and I didn't want to use them because they'd probably break on me. PRIMO Balance 6000 rim. It's like a really old one that I got off James. It's really nice. It just skips up and down a bit when I spin it. PRIMO COMET tyre. It's really nice. It doesn't really slide out much. But yeah, it's really nice. Animal MK3 peg and a random peg there and a FBM hub guard, which is alright. But my other animal peg kind of died at the end, and it's like shorter because of peg chinks and it's got a chunk out of it and it's not that good anymore. Still slides well. but that's about it. I think it's about £27. Like, it's not that light really, but it's not overly heavy. Got truck sticker up front that's really ripped. A CFUK sticker that I made. A sticker off my cap that I had. Van sticker and a PRIMO sticker. I got rid of quite a few stickers before because I had like 2 big ones there and then there and all that stuff. Yeah, that's about it. I think that's everything, so yeah, be making some more videos soon. Bye.